Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. In celebration of the channel turning 2 tomorrow, we're putting out some extra videos. This time it's an A-level video, doing integration and finding the definite integral. We've got a function x squared minus 1, and we're going to find the definite integral between 0 and 3. So with respect to x. My guest presenter is going to talk me through it. What do I do first?
So first you have to integrate that.
And what do I get?
You'll get x cubed over 3 minus x.
Minus x, so I increase the power by 1 and then I divide by it, and I put x there because I could know that I could check that by reversing the process and differentiating. And then what do I do?
And then you put it in the bracket and you write between 3 and 0.
So putting the limits there, and now what do I do?
And then you substitute the 3 instead of the x.
So substitute in that 3, so I'm going to get 3 cubed over 3 minus 3.
And then you minus or substitute the 0 into it.
Okay, and in this case I'll just show it for effect, but, 3, but in this case I wouldn't actually need to do any of that because it's 0, but just to know if you had some other numbers there. And then what's 3 cubed?
27 over 3, 9.
Minus
3 equals 6.
So we get the definite integral being 6. Okay, now another way of looking at this same question would be to visualize it on a graph and see how that might change the answer. Just a rough sketch there. What would x squared minus 1 look like?
The roots would be 1 and minus 1.
Okay, because it's the x squared but transformed by minus 1, and the roots there are 1 and minus 1. Okay, so that's our function. Now we've integrated between
0 and 3.
0 and 3. So we're trying to get that area there and that area there. How do we do that?
So you have to split it into 2 and find the definite integral of 0 and 1, and then 1 and 3, and add it together.
And 1 and 3. Because what might have happened is because we're integrating below the x-axis, that might be a negative area and taken away from that. So let's see how that might change the answer. So if I go through that same process again, I'm going to use the answers we had earlier. X cubed over 3 minus x between, so I should use squares brackets there, 0 and 1, and square brackets x cubed over 3 minus x, square brackets there, 1 and 3. And what is this one here?
You'll get 1 over 3.
1 over 3 minus 1.
Which will give you minus 2 over 3.
Minus 2 over 3. So there we might have seen some subtraction because it's negative, although in integration we'll just take the positive value for an area. And this one here?
And this one will give you 3 cubed over 3.
Yes, which is 27
minus 3
over 3 minus 3, which is what we had before, which is 9 minus 3, which is 6. And then we have to take away
1 over 3 minus 1.
We have to take away those, so that's going to be negative 2/3, but minus negative 2/3 will be 6 2/3. So then we see if we added those two together, what would we get?
You'd get 6.
6, but in effect, the actual area should be
2 over 3 plus 6, 2 over 3.
Which is?
22 over 3.
22 over 3, 7 1/3. Fantastic, there we go. That's definite integral in integration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And goodbye from all.
Bye.